Good morning everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Abby Bliss White and today I'm gonna have a little bit of fun with the new Savannah Peach collection from RMS Beauty. You guys, I have been a huge RMS Beauty fan. I have been intrigued by her new stuff that I have not tried, such as her highlighting powders, her kind of powder eyeshadows. So this little kit, and I hadn't tried any of her lipsticks. So this kit seemed like a really perfect way to try some of her new products. And I also am a huge fan of Savannah, hope to live in Charleston one day. So I am this just was calling my name and I thought it would be fun to try out these lovely products today. So if you want to see this peach collection, let's go ahead and dive in. So this is a little tribute to the beautiful Georgia coastline. And I just was really entranced. Now I did have to laugh because I had a huge collection of RMS products and I'm afraid I Marie Kondo'd them when we were moving into our new house. And I hadn't used them in a while, and you guys, I don't know. Now I regret that because at the time I wasn't doing YouTube, so I thought, oh, this could be fun if we could do a full face. But I absolutely fell in love with this brand with the Living Luminizer. That was probably my first foray into highlighting, and I just love it to the fact where I kind of want to go and get it again because I swear I didn't give that away, but of course I can't find it today. But I absolutely loved it. Some of the other products, I just found that the staying power was just not there. This is a coconut oil based line. Rosemary Swift is a makeup artist and her whole line is has coconut oil in it. So it is a gorgeous line, but if you are if coconut oil and you do not agree with each other, then you're going to want to skip this. So let's just go ahead and do a little unboxing. And you guys, it just looks so pretty. So it comes with a, what is this called? This comes with a Multitasker in peach. And again, so this is like a little eye pencil. And I'm going to go ahead and give you a little swatch of this. And that is the Multitasker in peach. Look how beautiful that is. It also comes with luminizing powder, and this is in Scarlet Peach. You guys, it's really gorgeous packaging here. And ooh, okay, you guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm not exactly, we're gonna play around today. I don't know if you would put this all over your face. And then here is, ooh, you guys, look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. And it is super creamy and it just glided onto my skin. Super awesome. So very buttery and gorgeous. And then I have a single shadow, and this is in Savannah Sunset. And you guys, I was attracted to this too because you know I love peach, is one of my favorite colors to put in my eyes. Ooh, here we go. This is, wow, check that out. You guys, that is Savannah Sunset. Wow, so pretty. And then last but not least, we have a gorgeous lipstick, Monterey. So this is Wild with Desire. And I do have to tell you, I already wore this one, and it is, you guys, and here is the swatch of Monterey. Wow. You guys, this is so pretty. So here is the entire collection that you get. This is a $72 collection, and I thought I would try it out because the Sephora sale is coming up, and I thought maybe this might be something that some of you want to try. So let's go ahead and put some of this on my face. So you guys, for time's sake, I did put on base and a little bit of bronzer today. And now let's go ahead and put on, we'll start with the eyeshadow. And I think I'm gonna just start with the actual eyeshadow. I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna use this, but we'll come up with a plan. Oof, you guys, so pretty. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my Wayne Goss 17. I'm gonna come up and then let's just kind of put this all over my lid here. And we can kind of, oh wow. Okay, you guys, can you see this? So this is super pigmented, and wow, that is a super gorgeous shade. So I may have dipped in a little heavy, that you do not need much. I'm really surprised. So I have not, honestly, I had a huge collection of RMS products, all the little pots and such, which I actually enjoyed, but they just didn't, they creased by the end of the day and didn't stay on for very long. I think they have vastly improved the, this is absolutely, I mean, these are coming on like butter. They're super pigmented. And honestly, that is such a pretty peach shade. So as you guys know, Tom Ford has one of my favorite, the golden peach is something that I wear all of the time. This is probably a step up, a little va va voom. So pretty. And then we are going to use that peach multitasker, and I'm going to read a little bit about what to do with that. So I'm just kind of putting that in. Don't worry, we will make this all look good. This pencil is supposed to give a little brightness to the eyes and add a little bronze luminescence. So let's try a little bit of that. I'm going to kind of put that a little bit in the corners of my eyes over here, just a little. And again, this is not often something I necessarily do, but I know that it looks pretty on so many. And then you guys, I think I'm actually just going to kind of use this, and let's go ahead and kind of line the eye with this just a little. And I'm probably going to use a different eyeliner, but maybe not, we'll see. And then we're going to come over to the other side. Okay, you guys, I'm going to come up, maybe, you know what, let's do, I'm actually going to line a little bit underneath my eyes with this. That might be the ticket. Now, I normally don't put a lot of stuff under my eyes because that's where my wrinkles are, but because this is a peach shade that is so light, I think I can get away with it. Let's do that. Okay, you guys, that just gave a little bit of lightness to the eyes. I am super impressed with the eyeshadow. It is super pretty. I am just going to kind of windshield wiper all over just to kind of blend it. It is very pigmented and it's a really pretty color. Okay. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and line and put mascara on my eyes just because that's what I do. I'll be right back. I just put on a little bit of a navy eyeliner. I feel like navy and peach go hand in hand. I think it's a really pretty combination. I also like peach and teal. I think that's another pretty combination. And I'm using the Marc Jacobs little fine liner in Submarine, and then I used my little favorite Chantecaille Faux Seals Longest Lashes. Okay, next up, let's get this guy out because this was sort of what I wanted to try. I've seen some of her luminizing powders as well as her bronzer, and I've been really curious about them. I did have the Barati bronzer that I really enjoyed, so I'm not exactly sure if we should use this as a highlighter, so I'm just going to take a little bit of this, put it on, and then I'm going to think of this more as a highlighter, a peach highlighter. And wow, and that is so pretty, you guys. Let's go ahead, we'll put it over here. I think this, if you like peach, then I think you are going to like this collection. And again, it gave me a chance to try out some of the products that have been intriguing me. You guys, that is a really pretty highlighter. It's a little bit more intense than I normally wear, but I'm going to kind of tone that down. I'm going to put a little bit on the bridge of my nose. That is pretty. I think you could think of this as a blush topper. I do not think I would put this all over my face. At first I thought it was sort of a powder, but wow. This is reminding me, you guys, a little bit of the shade of my favorite cream highlighter from Westman Atelier. I love the Peau de Pêche. So you guys, I am a peach fan. Okay, I am finding that to be super pretty. Now, I think what I will do is I am going to try out the Wild with Desire lipstick in Monterey. So you guys, these lipsticks, I had not tried them before, but I put this on the other day. So it is a matte formulation, but it is creamy and it stays on the lips. It is reminding me of those Vapor Siren lipsticks that I love. And this shade is absolutely gorgeous. A really nice kind of neutral peach undertone. And I'm gonna go ahead and set this on. It's got a little grip, so I think that's what I really like about this. It is not going to smudge on my Invisalign trays, I hope. Now, they are not so creamy that they're going to like be too buttery. That's what I'm saying. They've got a little bit of grip and a little bit, as you can tell, it's a little bit matte on my lips, but that's what I kind of like about it, because this stained my lips and I was able to just like wear it throughout the day. Here is the complete Savannah peach collection on my face, and I actually think it's super pretty. That highlighter is absolutely gorgeous. I love the peach eyeshadow. The lipstick, I am surprised that I like it so much. It is going to be matte. So what I'm probably gonna do is, if I had my little living luminizer, what I always like to do before is I love to put that on the cheekbones, and I love to put it on my lips. So if you own that living luminizer, which you guys both know I'm probably going to be getting again, even though it's somewhere in my house, I would put just a touch of that, just as a little bit of a lightness to your face. But I absolutely think this is great. Out of all of the things that I'm not sure about, it would probably be the Peach Multitasking pencil. I think what I would do next time is maybe put that down on my lid first and then top it with the shadow. Maybe do a twofer. So maybe I would do this on my lid and then put that peach shadow just in the crease. I'm gonna play around a little bit, but for my first impressions, you guys, I think this is a really great value. If you like RMS and if you are into peach tones, this might be a fun get to for your Sephora sale. I hope this was helpful, you guys. I'm very excited. If you are an RMS beauty lover, let me know what your favorites are. I always love to hear from you guys. And again, you guys, thank you so much for watching.